So in last class, we discussed some previous IIT problems on the topic differential equations, and some more problems are there. Now, x cube dy plus xy dx equal to x square dy plus 2y dx. This is the problem. And y of 2 equal to is given. You have to find y of 4. Yeah. Okay. Now, write the dy terms at 1 plus, that is x cube minus x square dy equal to dx terms 2y minus xy dx. Yeah. And now, so dy equal to, take common y here, y into 2 minus x dx by x cube minus x square. Now dy by y equal to, this is 2 minus x by x cube minus x square into x minus 1 dx. Now this is in the form of variables and separable. Okay. And now apply integration on both sides. Apply integration on both sides. So left side there is no problem, which is log y. Okay. Coming to the right side, you have to make it partial fractions. Okay. Now you have to make it partial fractions. Okay. I will do here. Yeah. So 2 minus x, okay, by x square into x minus 1 equal to a by x plus b by x square. See, x square means x and x square. The factors of x square, x square. So a by x plus b by x square plus c by x minus 1. Yeah, those are the factors. And now 2 minus x equal to ax into x minus 1 plus b into x minus 1 plus c x square. Is it correct? Okay. Now, let x equal to 0. If you take x equal to 0, 2 equal to this one 0 and this one 0. So this is minus b. Yeah. So b equal to minus 2. B value minus 2. Now x equal to 1. Then x equal to 1. This is 1 equal to, this becomes 0, this becomes 0. Then this is c. So that implies c equal to 1. Okay. Now coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 0. Here a plus c. Coefficient of x square. So that implies c, a equal to minus c. That is minus 1. A equal to minus c. Minus 1. Yeah. Okay, Samatha. Okay, this one. Okay, this is partial fraction. Okay, this is okay. Na? I will write this thick marker. You don't worry. This is partial fraction. That's why I use another marker, which is somewhat lighter. Okay. Is it okay? What about this one? This part is clear? Okay. Now, so this is equal to, this is log y equal to integral a by x. What is a value? Minus 1. Minus 1 by x. Next b value minus 2 by x square plus c value 1 by x minus 1 dx. Okay. Fine. Now this is equal to minus log x. This one plus 2 by x. Okay, 1 by x integral of minus 1 by x square. Okay, now which is 1 by x, because 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. And now this is plus log x minus 1 plus c. Okay, na? Plus c. Now, so what is given? Y of t equal to is given. Now this is log y. Yeah, So log y equal to, okay, take log terms to the left side, which is log x minus log x minus 1 equal to 2 by x plus c. Okay, so this is log, so xy by x minus 1 equal to 2 by x plus c. Yeah. Now coming to here, xy by x minus 1 equal to e power 2 by x plus c. E power 2 by x plus c. What is again? Y of 2 equal to e. Y of 2 equal to e. So substitute x value 2, y value e. This is 2a by 2 minus 1, 1. E power. So this is 2 by 2, 1 plus c. Yeah. Now, so 2e equal to e power 1 plus c, that is e power n into e power c. A power m plus n. Okay, so a power m plus n. Now e will be cancelled. So from this, what is c? C equal to log 2. C equal to log 2. Yeah, log 2 base. Now, what you have to find? You have to find y of 4. You have to find y of 4. So from this, y equal to, yeah, x minus 1 by x e power 2 by x plus c value is log 2 base. Yeah. Now this equal to x minus 1 by x e power 2 by x into e power log 2 base, which is 2. 2 e power 2 by x. E power m plus n. E power m into e power n. Okay. So e power 2 by x into e power log 2 base, which is 2. Now substitute x equal to 4. So y equal to 4 minus 1, 3 by 4 into 2 e power 2 by 4. Yeah. So 2 2s are, which equal to 3 by 2 e power 1 by 2, which is nothing but root e. 3 by 2 root e. 3 by 2 root e. Is it clear? Okay, na? Yeah. Okay. So let us move to next problem. Okay, the problem is y square plus log cos square x base c equal to y. Okay, x belongs to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Yeah. Then, so there are 4 cases are given. You have to find y double dash 0. Y double dash 0. You have to calculate actually. Yes. Okay. Now, so substitute x equal to 0. Substitute x equal 0. So y square plus cos 0 1 and log 1 is 0. Okay na? If you substitute x equal 0, cos 0 1, log 1 is 0 equal to y. So y square minus y equal to 0. So y equal to 0 comma 1. Y into y minus 1. So y equal to 0 comma 1. So that means what are the points are there? 0, 0. If x 0, y 0. If x 0, y 1. These two cases are there. Yeah? If x 0, y 0. If x 0, y 1. Two cases are there. And now you have to find the derivative. Actually, they asked what is the value of y double dash 0. Okay, na? Fine. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So this is 2y y dash 2y y dash plus, now this is 1 by cos square x. So cos square x derivative 2 cos x into cos x derivative minus sin x. Yeah. So this is y dash. This is y dash. Now this equal to, so take y dash to left side. So y dash into 2y minus 1. So 1 cos will be cancelled, minus 2 tan x equal to 0. Is it correct? Sin by cos tan x. Yeah. Okay. Now, so again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x. So what you will get? Y double dash into 2y minus 1 plus y dash into 2y dash. Yeah. And now minus 2 secant square x equal to 0. Okay na? Now substitute x equal 0. Substitute x equal to 0. Yeah. Then y double dash 2y. If x equal 0, y value 0 or 1. Okay na? In first case substitute y value 0. 0 minus 1 plus. So what about y dash? Yeah. From here, if x equal 0, y dash is equal to, y dash into, if x equal 0, y equal 0. So 0, so minus 1 minus tan 0, 0. So 0 equal 0. So what is y dash? Y dash equal 0. Yeah. So this is 0 minus 2 secant 0 is 1. Secant 0 is 1 equal to 0. So minus y double dash minus 2 equal to 0. That implies y double dash equal to minus 2. So modulus y double dash is 2. Absolute value. Modulus y double dash. Yeah. So this is the answer. Okay. See what actually see the problem is given like this. They gave 4 options. The first option, modulus y dash of 0 equal to 2 and modulus y dash 0 plus modulus y double dash 0 equal to 3, and another option is modulus y dash 0 plus modulus y double dash 0 equal to 1 and modulus y double dash 0 equal to 0. So 4 options are given. So that means clearly we have to find y double dash 0. That is the ultimate goal. For that purpose, if x equal 0, y is 0. That is one case. If x equal 0, y equal to 1, another case. Okay now? And now, if you make differentiate with respect to x, yeah? Now you are getting this one. So from this, y dash equal to 0. Because if x equal 0, y is 0. Yeah? So you are getting y dash 0. And again differentiating, again substitute x equal 0, you are getting y double dash equal to minus 2, but absolute value is 2. Is it okay? Okay, next problem. 1 plus e power minus x into 1 plus y square into dy by dx equal to y square, and the family of curve passing through 0 comma 1, then which of the following is correct? Okay na? Ante you have to find the family of curves. In that family of curves, obviously there is a arbitrary constant c. Okay na? Since it is passing through 0 comma 1, that arbitrary constant will be removed. Yeah. So first of all, you have to find the solution of this differential equation. Okay. So clearly, this is in variables and separable form. Yeah. Variables and separable form. And now see, this is 1 plus y square by y square dy equal to dx by 1 plus e power minus x. Is it okay? Variables and separable. And now, so from this, from this 1 by y square plus 1 into dy equal to, this can be written as e power minus x. E power minus x can be written as 1 by e power x. 1 by e power x. So this is e power x by e power x plus 1 dx. Is it okay? Okay, so yeah. And now, so apply integration on both sides. Now this is minus 1 by y plus y. Okay. Integral 1 by y square minus 1 by y. Integral dy is y equal to, what about this one? Log e power x plus 1, because the derivative of e power x plus 1 is e power x. Yeah. So f dash x by f of x. Okay na? Plus log c, arbitrary constant. You can take c also, no problem. Log c. Now this is minus 1 by y plus y equal to log c into e power x plus 1. Okay? Fine. Now what is given? It is passing through 0 comma 1. So if x equal 0, y value is 1. So x equal to 0 implies y value 1. So minus 1 plus 1. This is equal to log c into e power 0 1. 1 plus 1 2. Yeah. Now log 2c equal 0. Log 2c equal to 0. So c equal to 2c equal to e power 0 1. C equal to 1 by 2. What is the c value? 1 by 2. Okay. Now this becomes minus 1 by y plus y equal to log c value is 1 by 2. So e power x plus 1 by 2. Okay. Yeah. Now, so from our answer is simplified answer is there. So this is minus 1 plus y square by y, that equal to y log e power x plus 1 by 2. Yeah. So y square equal to 1 plus y log e power x plus 1 by 2. That's the answer. Yeah, this option is given. Okay, in the problem, this option is given. So this is the answer. Is it clear? The next problem, dy by dx minus y plus 3x by log y plus 3x equal to 0. Plus 3 plus 3, okay, equal to 0. So this is the problem. Okay, find the solution. Direct problem. There is nothing is there. Direct problem. Okay. So if you observe this equation, the inconvenient term is y plus 3x. So let it be some v or t. Okay. So let y plus 3x equal to v. Yeah. dy by dx plus 3 equal to dv by dx. Okay. Na? So here dy by dx plus 3 is there. So that will be dv by dx minus v by log v equal to 0. Yeah. So dv by dx equal to v by log v. Now log v by v dv equal to dx. So variables separable. Now make integration on both sides. So this is log v by v. Okay na? The derivative of log v is 1 by v. So this is of the form integral f of x power n. Okay na? So integral f of x power n dx, that is f of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this becomes log v whole square by 2 equal to x plus c, equal to x plus c. Yeah. And now log v whole square equal to 2 into x plus c. Yeah. Now log, what is v? V value y plus 3x. Y plus 3x whole square equal to 2x plus c. That's all. That's it. Okay, na? It's very simple problem. Okay. Okay, next problem. Xy dash, okay, xy dash minus y equal to x square into x cos x plus sin x, x cos x plus sin x, and y of pi equal to pi, y of pi equal to pi is given. Then y double dash pi by 2 plus y pi by 2, y double dash pi by 2 plus y pi by 2. So this you have to calculate it. Okay na? So y double dash pi by 2 plus y pi by 2. That means you have to find first of all y. You have to calculate y. Okay na? Now, so from this equation, y dash minus 1 by x into y equal to x into x cos x plus sin x. Yeah, divided with x. Now clearly this is linear in y. This is linear in y. So what is if? So if equal to e power integral minus 1 by x dx, which is equal to e power minus log x. Yeah, this is equal to 1 by x. Okay. Now the general solution is y into 1 by x integral q into if, x into x cos x plus sin x into if is 1 by x dx plus c. So this will be cancelled. Yeah. And now this is equal to integral x cos x. Okay na? ILATE. So first one is algebraic function, then trigonometric function. Okay. So x integral cos x is sin x minus integral x dash is 1, integral cos x is sin x, yeah, plus integral sin x plus c. So this will be cancelled, which is x sin x plus c, x sin x plus c. Okay. Now, so y equal to x square sin x plus cx, x square sin x plus cx. What is given? Y of pi equal to pi is given. Y of pi equal to pi. So that is pi equal to pi square. Sin pi is 0 plus c pi. Okay na? Now pi will be cancelled. C equal to 1. Pi will be cancelled. C equal to 1. Pi will be cancelled. C equal to 1. And now what is the solution? What is the y value? Y equal to x square sin x plus x, because c value 1. Okay na? So this is the y value. Yeah. Now you have to calculate y double dash. Okay na? So y dash equal to x square cos x plus 2x sin x plus 1. Y double dash equal to, so this one is minus x square sin x plus cos x into 2x, yeah, plus 2x cos x plus 2 sin x, yeah. Okay, good. Now what you have to calculate? Y double dash pi by 2. Okay na? So given expression equal to y double dash pi by 2. Y double dash pi by 2 means this is minus pi square by 4, because sin pi by 2 is 1. Cos pi by 2 0. Cos pi by 2 0 plus sin pi by 2 1. So 2 plus y pi by 2. Y pi by 2 sin pi by 2 1. So this is pi square by 4, yeah, plus pi by 2, which is pi by 2 plus 2. Pi by 2 plus 2. That is the answer. Okay. This is equal to pi by 2 plus 2. Yeah. That's all. Is it clear? Nothing. Just this is the linear differential equation. So just go through the find the solution by using LDE. You are getting y value. So y double dash x. So y double dash. So you can find directly y double dash x here also, but it is easy. Y double dash x, this one. So given expression equal to pi by 2 plus 2. Okay, is everybody following? Samantha?